Now we have a pound each of ground beef, a pound of pork, half teaspoon. Shout out to my folks at Redmond's Real Salt. And this is basil flour. This is unblanched almond flour. That's for flavor. Delicious. Ooh, pepper. Right in there. Put in about a tablespoon. Check the label for no sugar. You don't want any sugar. That tomato paste mix in there. You know I'm not a fan of things like canola oil or corn oil. We take our first half of meatloaf, press it in nice and even. We are going to make a quick glaze. So we have tomato paste, woulda. Use a couple things. I'm gonna do 4 of those because I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of glaze. Just start to spread it. Slices of Swiss cheese, asparagus, plop. Put this in the oven for 1 hour. Love you, Meatloaf. Check out AnnaVocino.com.